Arun Naik. My daughter's name is Ayushri, who is studying in Sunshine from January 2019. January till January to March she was in toddler, and now she is in nursery. But we are not came across such thing what we are hearing from the outside now is everything the issues. But we till date we have the good experience with the Gauri. She is taking too much care of our children. And also, you know, if something is children is not feeling well, she is taking advice, means phoning us, Baba, your daughter is having the fevers and all, please suggest or send the medicine or come and collect.
तुम्ही आयज कित्याक उलयता ते दिसा तुमी कित्याक आवाज करिना?
The problem is what we also got shocked when you got a news from outside source. Even the school also informed us that such thing is going on. But to decide who is the correct, either the school or the parent who is complained. So we have to wait to know the deep in, like FDA report, which is no doubt against the institutions. But we have seen the footage that which clearly showed that the things when happens, the Gauri was not even seen in the camera that said when maid was taking the care of their children.
So ये सनशाइन आसा पळय ते रजिस्टरूच ना खंय. सो तुमकां दिसना तुमची भुरगीं इल्लीगल खंय तरी इल्लीगलिटी फॉलो करता म्हणून?
Register now means see, that is the legal issue, second part. But as far as our concern was ते कितें ओन स्टार्ट जावना, ते खूब परीच्यान स्टार्ट आसा.
पूण ते इल्लीगल आसा म्हणून आतां पोलीस तपासांत स्पश्ट जाला.
Different. But as per our information, Gauri was as having the franchise of this, and
ना फ्रँचायसीज ना तेजे कडेन.
and recently the school has
तेजे
taken.
कडेन फ्रँचायसीज ना जाल्यार.
ना सपोज हो समजा तुमचे हितून घडलेले जाल्यार प्रकार.
See, definitely I would have opposed. Definitely I would have opposed. See, even I am saying that if that thing is correct, then no doubt the person who is guilty has to be punished. But what we
आनी
experience.
ओनर आसा तो
कशें न्हू अशी सिंपली तुमी हेंका कित्याक दाखोवना त्या पालकांक कित्याक दाखयना?
See, we are not even आमकां कॉन्टॅक्ट तांचो केन्ना जावपच ना.
जालोच ना केन्ना?
ना जालोच ना केन्ना. सी आमी एवरी टायम हांगा येता, आमी पेरंट्स मेळटा. इवन आमी डिसायड केले की बाबा आमी मेळुया, डिसायड करूया, बट नो बडी इज दिस थिंग.
आज तुमी मेळपाचें कारण ऑन द ईव ऑफ ऑर्डर फाल्यां जावपाचें
ना तशें कांय ना. आमी एक्चुअली कशें आसा पेरंटाचे लास्ट विकान आमी डिसायड करून करताले की आमी खंय तरी गेट टुगेदर जावन उलोवपाचें म्हणून.
ना हेजे पयलीं जावं शकता न्ही.
ना प्रॉब्लेम कितें
ऑन द ईव ऑफ ज्युडिशियल ऑर्डर म्हणून.
नो सर, इट इज वॉट हॅपन ना. प्रत्येक जाण जॉबाक वता, पेरंट्स प्रत्येकाचो टायम मॅनेजमेंट कसो डिपेंड
भुरग्या खातीर टायम काडचे पडटात न्हू तुमी बींग एज्युकेटेड.
आमी येता, बट इफ यू आज द एवरी पेरंट दे वॉज इन हरी की सकाळी 9 ते ड्रॉप करता भुरग्यांक आनी डायरेक्ट इन अशें रावता, बिंदास रावता आनी दे आर वर्किंग and 1 o'clock they are coming and collecting their children.
पूण आतां स्पश्ट
The order come that is illegal.
तशें न्हू FDA आतां जाल्यार टोबॅको हा म्हणून तुमकां नार्कोटिक्स
Yeah. We heard from the newspaper.
न्यूजपेपर न्हू FDAंतल्यान
FDA
ऑर्डर तुमकां हांगा लावली न्ही.
ना आमकां खंय मेळूं.
काय अवेअर
ना
करून
आमकां
तुमकां
अवेअरनेस आमचे जाल्ले आसा की वी आर
तशें न्हू तुमकां
सर्क्युलेटिंग.
तुमचे कोण आहा पळय इन्चार्ज तेणी काय सांगलें ना?
सी आमगेलो कसो आसा, शी इज अंडर नाव द लिटिगेशन इज गोईंग ऑन द केस. सो वी आर नॉट दॅट मच इन कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ, म्हणजे आमी तितले तिका कॉन्टॅक्ट करना. Now we are waiting for the judicially what they are passing the order.
कितल्यान पेरेंट्स आहा तुमी आतां टोटल?
Almost 10.
My daughter Gatha just completed 3. She is in Sunshine Daycare plus toddler, and we have always had very good experience at Sunshine. Even daycare, we were very comfortable. And in fact, when she had fever and all last week, she has been taken care at daycare only totally. In fact, Gauri only did everything for her, and Ida ma'am and all the staff was very cooperative and they took very good care of her and gave the medication and everything properly. I never experienced any discomfort since Gatha joined the daycare, and I'm quite comfortable, and I did not stop sending Gatha to school or daycare. We are aware about everything. Very literate, we are bankers. It's not that I'm not telling like what happened, what did not happen. We are just telling that we support Gauri and we are sure that Gauri is not involved in all this.
So you deny that FDA report?
I'm not denying the FDA report. I'm with police, and even we are very anxious and we are very, very careful about what will be the outcome. We were in fact not just FDA report, we are actually waiting for the entire outcome on